हृदय हा आपल्या शरीराचा महत्त्वपूर्ण भाग आहे, ज्यात प्रेम, नाविन्यपण, चांगलेपणा, दैवी सहवास यासारख्या अनेक भावनांचा स्पर्श असतो। पण आजच्या या धावपळीच्या युगात बदलत्या जीवनशैलीमुळे मात्र अनेक आघात या शरीराच्या महत्त्वपूर्ण भागावर होत असतात। ज्यात सुदृढ शरीर राखण्यासाठी व्यायामाचा अभाव आणि जंक फूडचा होणारा परिणाम यामुळे हृदयासंबंधी विविध आजार बळावले आहेत। ज्याविषयी जनजागृती करण्यासाठी एमजीएम हॉस्पिटल वाशीकडून जागतिक हृदय दिनाचे औचित्य साधताना विशेष कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन केले होते। यावेळी सहभागी मुले, त्यांचे पालक वर्ग आणि हृदयासंबंधीची वैद्यकीय माहिती राखणाऱ्या डॉक्टरांनी सकारात्मक चर्चा केली, ज्यात डॉक्टर भरत जयगासी, डॉक्टर संजीव कुमार कालेकर, डॉक्टर कृपाली शहा आणि डॉक्टर शेफाली मेहरा यांनी सहभाग घेताना हृदयाविषयीच्या विविध प्रश्नांना उत्तरे दिली। याविषयी सांगताना डॉक्टर नितीन कदम यांनी आजच्या अतिवेगवान जीवन राहणीमानात हृदयाची काळजी कशी घ्यावी याविषयीचे मनोगत व्यक्त केले।
The basic concept of organizing today's function was mainly community educational program. The way cardiac problems are increasing, it is serious today, and maybe by 2020 it's going to be a big problem in front of the country. For that, we are planning to educate the community as far as cardiac problems are concerned, and for the education of the community, we have organized today's function.
यावेळी निरोगी हृदय राखण्यासाठी कोणती काळजी घ्यावी, तसेच डायबिटीज सारख्या गंभीर आजारापासून कसे दूर राहावे याविषयी डॉक्टर उदय जाधव आणि डॉक्टर कमलेश शहा यांनी माहिती दिली।
Alright, as a cardiologist, because we get to see so many people with heart disease and blockages in their heart arteries, one of the most important reason I think is the lack of lifestyle modifications which people follow. That means as urbanization has happened, we have been exercising lesser and lesser. Our lifestyles have become more comfortable but more unhealthy for the heart. Our food styles have changed from the early days of the rural population based diet. We have urbanized our diet, so our diet is more of junk food and lesser of the complex carbohydrates that we eat. But at the background of all this, I think there are two aspects that become very important. These are the messages I would like to put across. Number one is that we need to exercise very regularly. And two, it's very important to control our cholesterol, because cholesterol is as big a risk factor for heart disease as smoking is.
Diabetic patients are very prone to develop heart disease, and what we have seen that in diabetic patients, heart disease is very severe form. So if a person is non-diabetic, heart disease will not be so severe as compared to the diabetic of the same age and same risk factors. So diabetic patients should get their blood sugars checked, control diet, and take appropriate medications like oral medications and insulin if required. That is the most important thing. And another part which is very surprising, that when we do bypass surgery, we routinely check everybody for diabetes. And what we are finding that almost 70 to 80% patients who are requiring bypass surgery and had no history of diabetes are found to have diabetes at the time just before surgery. So it's a very alarming situation that people are not aware of their diabetic status, because they may be diabetic for years and they don't know about it. They did not get it treated and probably developing heart disease and then landing up in bypass surgery. So it is very important that normal people, so-called normal people who are not diabetic, should get their blood sugars checked regular interval and see that they do not develop the diabetes, because if you have diabetes and not detected, it can lead to early heart disease.
याचबरोबर शरीरावर येणारा तणाव दूर करण्याच्या दृष्टीने काही महत्त्वपूर्ण उपायांविषयी डॉक्टर राकेश यांनीही सविस्तर चर्चा केली।
प्रॉब्लम ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति नहीं है इधर पूरे इसमें जिसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। प्रॉब्लम है, हमें सॉल्व करना है। और सॉल्व कैसे कर सकते हैं? अगर मैं प्रॉब्लम से भागूंगा तो नहीं सॉल्व होगा। जब तक मैं प्रॉब्लम की फेस नहीं करूं तब तक उसका उपाय नहीं निकलेगा। तो स्टैंड अप, फेस द प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व। हम क्या करते हैं? हम प्रॉब्लम ही देखते रहते हैं। हम बोलते हैं वो मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसा है। अच्छा ठीक है, ये है, अब क्या, आगे क्या?
कॅमेरामन राहुल आणि गोविंद सिंग पाल सह जैन कबराल यांचा रिपोर्ट।